Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet, and welcome to another Junk Journal July episode. So let's grab our junk journals and our junk and ephemera and creative things, and let's dive into day 22 and the Prompt of Shimmer. For today I decided to make a good old-fashioned collage out of magazine cutouts. I had a bunch of things that reminded me of the Prompt of Shimmer, and I feel like all in fashion magazines you find a bunch of glittery things. So here that's not a fashion magazine cutout, it was a page from a New Year's recipe spread in a magazine, and I just thought that is the perfect base for today's spread with all those disco balls and all the glitter and stuff. So we're just gluing that in, and now we only have to find a way to cover up the meat. And here it is what comes in all the different fashion magazines from, I don't know, 10 years ago or even longer that I have collected for my collage projects and everything. So here I'm just flipping through it and putting aside things that I like and maybe want to include into today's spread. And then I just went to town and added a few ladies and some more glitter and things to spread. I think this one is also, even though there's more happening on this spread today, it feels like an easy art journal spread anyways, because it's just normal collage with normal magazine cutouts in a way. But I'm really happy with how the spread for today turned out. So there's nothing wrong with simplicity. How's your Junk Journal July going? Are you still going strong? Are you keeping up with the daily prompts, or do you take your time? I'm so happy to see all your lovely creations, and they're so beautiful spreads, and it's so fun to see what everyone comes up with for the different prompts. So it's so much fun. I'm having so much fun this month. I hope you all are having fun as well. And I'm already kind of thinking about what I could do next, or how I want to keep up with my posting schedule for the YouTube channel. I think I won't be able to do daily posts, but maybe I could do a bit more. If you just want to see more of those like simple art journal and create with me or draw with me videos, if you're fine with seeing those on a more regular basis, I could absolutely make some more of those and then do the more complex video topics and things that take more production time for the Saturday videos. So let me know if you would be interested to see, not on a daily basis, but more often, just some relaxed creative time. Now here I was a bit bothered by the white print on the spread, and I decided to, instead of just moving the girl from behind the disco ball back, to just add a bit of the disco ball that would disappear behind her, make it come out of the other side. It's not a realistic ball anymore, but I feel like it's more glitter, and the other part of the white print I did cover up with just some black markers. So now here we add the like little piece of the disco ball, and now I did get out this spread with all those different glittery and glamour kind of buttons, and decided to add those to the spread also to cover up some of the writing, and also just to have some more other kind of glittery balls, not only have the disco balls there. And then later I decided to also add those buttons to the heads of the girls to make it a bit more artsy in a way. I don't know. I really wanted to give it a bit of an edge to not have a simply just fashion collage in the journal. Now, this is the final look at today's spread. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I hope you enjoyed today's creative session and you had some fun creating alongside with me. If you enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would make me really happy, and if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. Happy creating!